everyone. I am Mrs. Amrita Manish Bhatia from Microbiology Department of Abeda Inamdar Senior College. The topic of my poster presentation is Culturable versus Unculturable Community of Pharmaceutical Effluent. Metagenomics is the study of genetic material recovered directly from the environmental samples such as soil, water, etc. It is based on the genome analysis of microbial DNA directly from the sample. For our project, we had taken a pharmaceutical effluent, that is pharmaceutical waste sample, which was directly released into the nearby rivers by some pharmaceutical companies. From that sample, we have isolated 4 different microorganisms which can cause infections and diseases in human body, such as meningitis, arthritis, pneumonia, which are caused by Micrococcus. We have also isolated Pseudomonas, which is a cause of nosocomial infections. This release of pharmaceutical effluent into the rivers can also hamper the aquatic diversity.
Hello everyone, my name is Mamta Ji Jangave and I will be explaining materials and methods. Isolation, identification and characterization of sample. We have taken a sample from a pharmaceutical industry from Pune. The physical and the chemical parameters were performed in the laboratory. Characterization of isolates was done by gram staining, biochemical, and finally, we have identified the isolates by Burgess manual. After the identification of isolates, the next step will be sequencing. The metagenomic sequencing is the very first approach in the metagenomics. It involves sequencing and analysis of DNA from the sample. Now next comes the procedure. Take a sample from the environment, extract the DNA from the sample, treat this DNA with restriction enzyme, then take a vector. We are taking plasmid or BAC, that is bacterial artificial chromosome, as a vector because they have a large insert size. Now ligate these fragmented DNA and plasmid to form a rDNA, that is recombinant DNA. Now insert this rDNA into the host cell and create a metagenomic library. Then go for further functional screening.
Hello, my name is Divya Vijaykumar. For the isolation of the organism, purified extract was streaked onto the nutrient agar media and brain heart infusion media. For characterization, physical properties and chemical properties of the isolate was noted and compared with the standard Burgess manual. After comparison, it was found the isolates to be as Micrococcus, Marinococcus, Staphylococcus, Pseudomonas respectively. Sample analysis was done to understand the species abundance. Chime analysis was performed on each sample. Alpha diversity is the microbial diversity assessed within the sample. It was calculated using 3 index, Shannon index, Simpson index, and Chow index. Corona chart allows to explore the relative abundance and to understand the complex hierarchies of metagenomes classification. Diffractive plot was done to understand the species richness within the sample effluent. Phylogenetic tree. 2 isolates were identified by 16S rRNA sequencing, which were found to be Staphylococcus aureus and Micrococcus endophyticus. A phylogenetic tree was constructed to help us understand the relationship with other Staphylococcus species and Micrococcus species respectively.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madhvi Rane presenting a conclusion part in front of you. It is clear that organisms that we grow in the laboratory is only 1% and the unculturable organisms are much more in number. NGS technology is allowing us to study the unculturable world of organism. When the culturing of organism present in the pharmaceutical effluent was carried out using commercially available media in a laboratory, only few organisms were cultured, but when the same effluent was analyzed using NGS technology, we could observe the diversity of organism. Metagenomics approach can be used to minimize the challenges of culturing organism from the environmental sample that are get unculturable and represent 99% of organism in the same environment.
Thank you to the management team for organizing International Web Conference 2020. We are privileged to attend your conference. Thank you.